Greetings, fellow space enthusiasts and intrepid travelers. Today we are embarking on an extraordinary journey that will take us beyond the confines of Earth and into the limitless expanse of the cosmos. Welcome to a captivating exploration of space tourism, where the dreams of venturing among the stars are no longer confined to science fiction. In this awe-inspiring video, we'll delve into the exhilarating world of commercial space flights, orbital vacations, and the remarkable possibilities that await us in the realm beyond our planet. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a voyage that will forever change the way we perceive travel and the universe itself. Space tourism is still a relatively new field, but it's one of the most exciting in the world. It's also one of the most expensive. The price tag for an orbital flight with Virgin Galactic will set you back $250,000. But if you've got that kind of money lying around and want to see what it feels like to blast off into space, read on. Space tourism is a booming industry thanks to technological advances in both space travel and communications technology. However, there are only two ways for ordinary people, i.e. non-astronauts or millionaires, to get into space: suborbital flights or orbital flights around Earth or other planets. Both have their pros and cons. Some people prefer suborbital while others have been dreaming about going where no man has gone before since childhood. Space tourism is a market that has yet to be fully explored. Thanks to technological advances in private space companies, more people are able to experience the wonders of space travel than ever before. Space tourism is a growing industry, and it's thanks to the efforts of private space companies that more people than ever before have the opportunity to experience the wonders of space travel. The cost of space tourism has come down over time, making it more accessible for those who are interested in experiencing what it's like to travel beyond Earth's atmosphere. There are many different types of experiences you can choose from when booking your trip. Some companies offer private flights, while others provide access only through membership programs or partnerships with other companies, such as Virgin Galactic. Space tourism is the use of spaceflight vehicles, such as rockets and capsules, to carry people for personal or commercial reasons. The term space tourism was first used in the 1960s when Project Apollo was ongoing. In the 21st century, space tourism has gained popularity as an adventure travel experience and one of the fastest growing industries in terms of revenue generation. People can choose between suborbital flights or orbital ones, depending on their budget and preferences. However, both offer unique experiences that will leave you speechless. How do you get into space? There are many ways to get into space. You can go on a suborbital flight, which is when you travel up and down in a capsule at high speeds but don't actually go into orbit around Earth, or an orbital flight where you circle the planet once or multiple times while experiencing weightlessness. You can also choose between private or commercial flights. Private means that only those who own their craft have access to it, like Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic. Commercial means that there are multiple providers offering flights with similar technology, such as Blue Origin. In addition, some companies offer solo trips, while others allow groups to share their experience together in one rocket ship or plane. What are the best places to go on a suborbital flight? The best place to go on a suborbital flight is the place you want to go. There are many companies offering flights and many destinations. The best place for you depends on your interests and needs. If all of this sounds too good to be true, don't worry. Space tourism has already taken off, and it's only going up from here. Is orbital tourism really that expensive? The cost of a flight depends on the destination and the type of flight you want to take. A trip to the moon, for example, costs $1 million. A trip to Mars is currently $10 million, although this price may change as technology advances. The cost of orbital tourism is still relatively high because it's so new. However, there are some companies working on ways to reduce prices over time by building reusable rockets or developing more efficient engines. Who's behind all these commercial flights into space? There are several companies who are behind the commercial flights into space. Space Adventures, Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, and SpaceX are some of the leading private spaceflight companies in the world. Other notable players include Orion Span, which is backed by Jeff Bezos, Worldview Enterprises, backed by Larry Page, and Zero to Infinity, funded by Google co-founder Sergey Brin. The former two companies have not yet flown humans into space, but will soon do so on their respective suborbital spacecrafts. Orion Span's Aurora Station and Worldview Enterprises' stratospheric balloon platform known as Voyager airships. Escape Dynamics has been working on its X-3 vehicle since 2016. This rocket is designed to reach an altitude of 100 kilometers within 10 minutes, a feat never before achieved by any other launch system on Earth or in space. How can I book a tour of duty? Booking a tour of duty is the same as booking any other type of flight. You can do it online or over the phone through your chosen space tourism company, which will provide you with all relevant information and documentation required for your journey. There's no question that space tourism is a growing industry, but it's not quite as accessible as you might imagine. There are only so many seats available on suborbital flights, which means that most people will have to wait until 2021 or later before they can go into orbit themselves. If you want more information about how you can book your own trip into space, then check out our guide below. As our cosmic voyage comes to a close, we find ourselves standing at the intersection of human ambition and the boundless mysteries of the cosmos. The allure of space tourism beckons us with promises of gazing upon our home planet from orbit, experiencing weightlessness, and perhaps even witnessing the dance of distant stars. It's a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration that has driven humanity to venture beyond the familiar and into the unknown throughout history. Just as pioneers once set sail to uncharted lands and aviators soared to new heights in the sky, we now stand on the precipice of a new era where the final frontier itself becomes our destination. So, as we bid farewell to our journey to the stars, let us remember that the universe is an infinite canvas, inviting us to paint our stories across its cosmic tapestry. If our celestial Odyssey has ignited a spark of curiosity within you, if the allure of spacefaring has resonated with your dreams, I invite you to join our community by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Together, we shall continue to explore the wonders of science, the marvels of technology, and the breathtaking mysteries of the cosmos. As we venture forth into the ever-expanding cosmos, remember that the universe is not just out there, it's also within us, shaping our aspirations and igniting our imagination until we rendezvous again among the stars. Keep looking upward, keep dreaming, and keep reaching for the heavens. Safe travels on this grand cosmic journey.